Hello everyone, Chelsea of Allow the Sun here. I'm getting into the holiday spirit and I'm gonna be making some citrus garland. Join me on my journey of making them again this year. And I have a fancy mandolin that I didn't have last year, so now they can all be very nice, perfect size. And I'm gonna use lemon, lime, and Naval oranges. Put the lime in the coconut and shake it all up. Lemon challenge. Oh. I don't know why I did that. You can also use just a knife, sharp knife, little knife to cut if you don't have a mandolin, but from last year, this is a lot better. Set the oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit.
All right, then you lay them out on the parchment paper, and you know what? Some of them came out so nice, and you know what? Some of them have a little bit broken piece, but you know what? That's fine, because perfection is boring. Now, I'm just putting as many as I can fit on here because I want to make a lot because I want to give them as gifts. So I'm not sure, there may be like a spacing you're supposed to follow, but I just try to fit it all in there. Time to put them in the oven.
Once they're in the oven, the cooking time is about 3 to 6 hours. Now the little lemons and limes are not going to take as long. So at 2 hours, you want to check out the lemons and limes, see how they're doing. If they need some more time, what you can do with all the lemon, limes, and oranges, you want to flip them over. You also want to flip the pan and let them cook. And I would just keep checking every hour to see. You want them to be pretty dry. And again, you'll want to keep checking the lemons and limes because those aren't going to take as long as the oranges. While you're waiting, you can make some of your favorite tea to enjoy. And of course, you can have a dance party.
All right, 2 hours, let's take them out and flip them over.
Now, once they're fully dry, you can leave them out overnight, and then the next day, we will do the threading. Beautiful citrus is dried. It's time to decorate them. Now, the materials that I use are twine. You can also use yarn, whatever you have around. I have a threading needle for that, but again, if you don't have that, you can use, I used scissors last year where you can just make a tiny little hole, and sometimes they have a hole already that you can use. I have star anise to put glue on to the oranges. I've got this in bulk on Amazon from Spicy World, but you can get them at the store. And to glue those on, I have been using the original super glue that I got from the dollar store. But if you have a hot glue gun, you can use that. This has been working so far. So, and this year I'm using some cinnamon sticks to decorate. You can get so creative with this. You can make just a simple garland that you can hang around this way, or you can flip it this way. I like to do this and hang in the window. You can make ornaments. You can also get creative with the cinnamon sticks Again, you can hang it like this, and this, you know, can also be an ornament. Whatever you want it to be. I just have found this so fun to do. I started making them last year, and I really enjoy having them around my home during this time and giving them as a special homemade gift. Thank you all so much for watching, and let me know how they come out. I'd love to know. Have a great holiday season. Sending so much love.